2.
Hello, Steve Ladon here from MarineMax Boston. We're out in our beautiful new 315 Conquest. We're in the cockpit. Let's take you through some of the features. So you've got a transfer pull-out seat, also a side seat. If you're going to do a nice cocktail cruise, these seats are a must-have. This boat's also equipped with a summer kitchen, so you've got a pull-out grill here as well. If you're going to be doing some fishing, the seats easily stow. Now you've got a nice cockpit for fishing. You've got 2 large fish boxes. One of the nice things with the Boston Whaler, all your mechanical items are all right here. All your seat cocks, batteries, fuel, generator, everything you need to get to is right here, one spot. Also nice table storage for your cockpit table. Moving forward to the helm area, you've got a nice wide helm. You can turn this there's going to be an aft-facing seat, or it can be a face-to-face seat. You and a companion, you've got a pull-out table. If you're not going to use the table, there's a nice filler cushion to turn this into a 3-person bench, which you can use facing the captain. As you can see, it's a well-appointed dash. You got twin 12-inch Raymarine Axiom units, full vessel view. This boat's also equipped with Mercury active trim. Right now we're in Skyhook, so we're using the Mercury joystick system to keep us in place. We've got the city right here. One of the other features, aside from docking, Skyhook's great, if you're at a fuel dock or you're waiting, if you're by yourself, you need to get fenders and lines. It's a great tool. You can move around the boat and the boat's going to stay right in place for you. Heading below to the cabin, you can see there's a nice V-berth, so this converts to a bed, or it's a nice table setup, get out of the conditions for a couple hours. If you have kids, it's a great spot to come and bunk down. You've also got a mid-berth, which can easily sleep 2. You've got a cooktop, microwave, and this boat's also equipped with a TV. Additionally, nice stand-up head with vacuum flush system with overboard discharge. That concludes our walkthrough video of the 315. I'm going to go put her back on the docks, and hopefully you can take her out next year. For any more information, contact me at 774-991-3880.